Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make this cute butterfly chain. Butterfly lace, not chain. So for this one I have used a thread, a cotton thread, which is a butterfly thread available in a local market here in Pakistan. So if you wanted to, you can make it with a yarn as well. It's your choice. I'm using a 1.10 mm crochet hook, and this time I am actually using 2 strands of thread. It's just because this is already too thin to use, so I'm using 2 threads together. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me combine these 2 threads, and this is how it will look like after you will work with 2 strands of thread. So make sure you know the basics of crochet. So make a slip knot, insert your hook in, and do a chain. Start doing a chain, okay? So I'm doing a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then yarn over twice on your hook, okay? So after making 8 chains, you're going to yarn over twice on your hook, because now we are going to do a triple crochet. Let me explain. Let me zoom in a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here is the 4th chain. Into the 4th chain we are going to do a triple crochet. Into the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, thread over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how the section is going to look like. This is a section where we are going to make this butterfly. Okay, so you can make it as long as you wanted to, as many as you wanted to make. I'm going to tell you how you're going to make the second one. Now you're going to do again is chain here. Actually, I'm giving a voiceover to it, so excuse me for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So now this time into the second one, and so on, we are going to make the 10 chains between. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 4th chain, do a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yarn over twice, and into the 4th chain we are going to do a triple crochet. So this is depend on how long you want your lace to be. So you have to make these section because we are going to work with these, okay? It's totally depend how long you want your work to be. You can make as many as you wanted to. Don't forget to like to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 chains, yarn over twice on your hook, and into the center of these 2 loops we are going to work now. And one section, insert your hook into the loop, and I'm doing a triple crochet. So pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. This is how we are making a butterfly. Again, chain 1. So we have to chain 1 between these triple crochet, double triple crochet. We are going to yarn over 3 times. Alright, now chain 1, yarn over 1, 2 and 3 times into the stitch, do a triple crochet, and other one, chain 1, and now I made 1, 2 and 3 right now. After making 3 of these, the chains are going to count as your first triple crochet. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually the chain will count as your stitch, and in between each I have made a chain 1. So you have to make a 7 double triple, and in between you have to make a chain 1. And now yarn over 2 times, and into the next section just jump into this next loop here, take your thread, pull through 2, through 2, through 2 and through 2. This is how it will looks like. Chain 1 and again 2 and 3, and do 7 double triple stitch here, and in between each stitch you have to make a chain 1. And this is what we are going to do till you reach to end of the work. Double triple stitch 7 times into this loop, and in between each stitch don't forget to do a chain 1. Okay, I have made a 7 double triple stitches in between chain 1. Again, making a double triple, jump right over to your next chain, to your next space, and make another set of 7 double triple and do a chain 1 in between each. So this is so easy. Chain 1, and again yarn over 3 times and do a double triple crochet. Chain 1, yarn over 3 times and work a double triple. So I have completed my 7 double triple stitches here, and now to shift the work to the other side, we are going to yarn over, do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to do on your very first chain. After that, don't insert a hook into the very first chain, into the next chain from the starting point. We are not going to the first one, we are going to the second chain. We are going to yarn over, pull through, and this is how the work will hide down there, and do a single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over 2 times. Now we will jump into this thing, yarn over 3 times, do a double triple here, and do again 7 double triple, chain 1, 7 double triple, chain 1, jump over to the next space and the next space, and this is how you have to complete to the other side. And don't forget to make chain in between each stitch. Okay, so I have completed my this side as well. And now we will start the next round. Okay, to do this, we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the same space here, 1, 2, 3. On the third chain, we will 1, 2, 3. On the third chain, do a slip stitch, and this is what your work is going to look like. So at the very last of your work, I have did a 6 double treble, chain 1 in between, and then I did a chain 7 and joined to my very first stitch, chain 1, and into this chain space we are going to do single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And into the next chain 1 space we are going to do here. Alright, so jump into the next chain space, and we are going to do is 1 and 2 single crochet. Into the next chain space we will do 1 single crochet, chain 2, and we are going to do a picot stitch, which are going to take a 2 loops right from the top of this stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the one you have on your hook, just like that. Okay, now we are going to do into the same space, do 1 more single crochet. Into the next space we will do single crochet, 1 and 2, and into the next one we are going to do the picot one. So single crochet, chain 2, and take the top loop here, this one, insert your hook in, and insert your hook into this front loop here, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the one you have on your hook, and do 1 more single crochet right into the same chain space, just like that. Now into the next space work 2 regular single crochet, and into the next one we are again gonna do the picot one, single crochet, chain 2, and do a picot stitch, do a slip stitch like that, and work 1 more single crochet into the space. And this is how your work's going to look like right now. And here you can see this V kind of a stitch. So insert your hook right into this space and do a slip stitch. Jump over to the next chain space, chain 1 first, and into the next chain space we are going to do again single crochet, 2 into the very first stitch. Into the next chain space work 1 single crochet, chain 2, do a slip stitch to the top of the stitch, okay, it's not going in, I don't know what's wrong with them. 1 more single crochet into the same space, work 2 simple single into the next one, one and 2, and again into the next one, 1 single crochet, chain 2, join to the top, and do 1 single crochet into the same space. And this is what you have to do till you reach to the end of this section. Easy, right? 1 more single crochet into the same space, 2 singles into the next, into the next one again, do 1 single, chain 2, join to the top, and this is what you have to do till you reach to the end. Excuse me, I have just a little bit of flu here. Okay, now again into this stitch, do a slip stitch, chain 1, and start working the same pattern again. Okay, alright, so I have did this to the end of this round here, and now we are back to this chain space where we did a 7 chains. Into this, work a single crochet, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After making 7 single crochets, we are gonna do is into the center we will do a slip stitch, and now again 7 single crochets into this chain space. So this is how we are going to shift towards the other side, working is 7 single crochets into this chain space, and then again we will do the same thing into this chain spaces which we did onto the other side. So into the starting point here I make a picot stitch this time, so I'm going to start same as we did on this side. So working into the single crochet, chain 2, slip stitch to the top, which is the picot stitch, and do a single crochet into the same space. So you are going to complete this round just like that. Into the next one, do a regular single crochets, and the next one, 1 single, chain 2, give a picot stitch, then do a single crochet into the same space. And this is what we are going to do to this side as well, just showing a couple of more stitches so that you would understand it easily. I hope I have explained you well right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video. You can make it in with the yarn as well. It will give a more thickened look to your lace. And now here again we are going to do a slip stitch, and this is how you're going to complete that side as well. Okay, so here I have completed my other side, and we are back to this chain space here, and again we're going to do a single crochet, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After making 7 single crochets into your very first here where we did single crochet, we are gonna join right into the center of the chain. Okay, and this is how your work's going to looks like right now, and you can make it as long as you wanted to. You can make a choker necklace if you wanted to. You can also make a regular bracelet as well. These look so amazing. You can put some pearls into the center or some white stones or anything you wanted to add. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for giving your time to my videos. Take care everyone. Bye bye.